Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how I built a fully automated video analysis workflow using N8N and Google Gemini. So you can analyze your own videos, get detailed scene descriptions, and even summarize YouTube videos, all with just few clicks. And guess what? I'm giving you the full workflow template completely free. So stick around to the end for details. Let's jump right in and see it in action. I'm going to hit test workflow, which pops up the simple form, letting me upload the video I want to analyze. I'll choose my MP4 file, hit submit, and watch as the workflow kicks off. Behind the scenes, N8N instantly uploads a file to Google Gemini, wait for analysis, and then polls for results. Within seconds, boom, we get back a super detailed breakdown of what's happening in every scene of the video. Let's check out this analysis. It describes every part of the video. The video showcases a live wallpaper featuring the character Luffy from the anime One Piece. Luffy is depicted in a meditative pose, sitting cross-legged with his hands pressed together in front of me, as if praying or concentrating. He's shirtless, revealing a muscular physique with the details shading. The background is a dramatic scene filled with broken ships and debris, suggestive of a battle or a shipwreck. The sky is a vibrant mix of orange and yellow, possibly indicating a sunset or sunrise. This isn't just a summary. This is full AI powered video understanding, all done in under 5 seconds. And the best part, this workflow is fully automated, totally free to run, and you can import it in minutes, even if you have never touched anything before. So let's break down how it all works step by step. First thing first, to use Google Gemini API, you will need a free API key. Go to Google AI Developers, click on Get API Key at the top, make an account if you don't have. It's a simple free account. Copy the API key and keep it somewhere safe. You will plug this key into an add-on so you can talk to Google and get your video analyzed. Now let's walk through the automation. I'll break down each node so you know exactly what's happening. First come form trigger, which kicks things off when you submit a video via the form. It takes your uploaded video and sends it directly to Google Gemini's API through HTTP request. This is where you have to paste your API key, add it as a query parameter in the authentication section. Then the workflow pauses for a few seconds to give Google Gemini time to process your file. Then you have to make a new API call through HTTP request to check if the analysis is ready. It grabs a unique file URL and mem tab and sends a prompt to Google like describe what's happening in this video in detail. After that, sometimes the analysis isn't ready instantly. Polling means a workflow check every few seconds until Google says it's done. Without polling, your workflow might fail if you try to fetch results before they're ready. Once the analysis is finished, N8N grab the detailed description and presents it either to your Google Sheet email or wherever you want. Now, let me show you what happens if you skip polling. Again, you have to upload a video and execute the workflow. If you try to get the analysis too soon, Google will send back an error saying file URL not active yet. But when we add a polling loop, the workflow keeps checking until the file is processed. So you always get a reliable result. This is automation best practice. Always build in retries or polling when using AI APIs that needs time to process. Now, what if you want to analyze a YouTube video instead? That's easy. You just have to paste in the video URL. The workflow uses, again, a different Gemini endpoint for YouTube. You can ask Gemini to summarize the video, describe the visuals, or extract key highlights, whatever you want. And you can use the prompts like summarize the video in 3 sentences, describe what's happening visually, list the 3 key takeaways. It works for any public YouTube video, great for content creators, teachers, or anyone who wants fast AI powered summaries. If you want to try this for yourself, this is what you have to do. Join my free community, link in the description. Search for this video title, download the JSON workflow template, import it straight to N8N, and done. Just plug in your API key and you're good to go. And that's it. You now have a fully automated AI-powered video analysis workflow built in N8N powered by Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe for more no-code and AI automation tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you would like to automate next, and if you have any questions, I'm always here to help. Grab your free template and start supercharging your workflows with AI today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.